Hey Ryan, it's Heather from Firelands Chevrolet. So that custom that you inquired on did actually sell, but we do have a twin, kind of. It's an LT, it has the 5.3 V8, but other than having the chrome and a little bit more power, still got the red hat double cab with the standard size bed. I walked around this before I did the video to check for things, kind of rubbing off bird poop spots with my fingers to make sure if it was just dirt or if there was any scratches. I didn't see anything at all. It looks super clean. This one has 36,000 miles on it. Just kind of give you a scope of what it looks like completely on the interior. So you're going to pick up a couple more features that I don't know if you guys even care about, but might be just nice to have. Maybe somebody important in the organization can have it. But nice clean interior. The seats look really good. Help if I unlock the doors. Back seat. And honestly, it looks like no one really sat back here at all. So wanted to throw this out for you too. Like I said, it's got 36,000 miles on it. It's a 2019 with the 5.3 V8. We've got it at 34.5. Let me know what you think. We'll talk to you soon.